Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Netdata on Ubuntu VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Netdata on your Ubuntu VPS, start by accessing your server via SSH. Use a terminal application to connect to your VPS. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, verify if Netdata is currently running. You can do this by executing the command system.status netdata. If Netdata is active, you'll see its status as active, running. To stop the Netdata service, type the command sudo system.stop netdata. This command will halt the Netdata service immediately. Next, to prevent Netdata from starting automatically on boot, execute sudo system.disable netdata. This action disables the service from launching during the system startup process. If you want to remove Netdata completely from your server, you can do so with the command sudo apt remove netdata. Follow the prompts to complete the removal. Once finished, it's a good practice to check for any remaining configuration files. You can manually delete the configuration files if necessary. To confirm that Netdata is no longer running, recheck the status using system.status netdata. It should indicate that the service is inactive. You have now successfully disabled Netdata on your Ubuntu VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.